This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Missy Johnson. Very rare find in South Knox County west/1.1 acres. Extremely well-maintained basement rancher west/very open and airy floor plan and a drop-dead gorgeous renovated kitchen that would rival any new construction home. Cathedral ceilings, wooden beams, stone fireplace, gas, lovely hardwood flooring throughout main level, nice sunroom west/wooden beams, new carpet and big windows overlook the pretty backyard and deck, and two-car oversized garage is on main level. The kitchen has an enormous island west/induction cooktop, double pantries, loads of beautiful cabinetry, upgraded appliances, quartz countertops and much more. Downstairs is a very large family room west/office, third bathroom, large closets, and a garage/workshop area that is oversized. Downstairs could easily be additional living quarters west/its own entrance. For more information, review the details below or contact Missy Johnson at 865-584-4000.